guys, it's Marissa. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to show you guys the process I go through to get my body curls on a silk press. If you want to see the silk press video, I'll put that in the cards and in the description box. This is just how I got the curls. So if you want to get the look and you want to know how I do it, just keep watching. Hey guys, so if you missed the video on how I straightened or silk pressed my hair, I'll leave it up in the cards so you guys can check it out. So my hair's been straight for about 3 days now, and I'm ready to spice it up a little bit and add some curls. So I decided I would sit down and show you guys how I curl my hair with the flat iron. So if you care to see that, then of course keep watching. So I have my GVP flat iron here that I've had for forever. I like to curl my hair with this one as opposed to the Baby Bliss that I use to straighten my hair because it's smaller and it's more round. So I'm just gonna make random sections and clip my hair off and start curling.
Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. You can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece, full speed, so for the Paris, yeah. Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. You can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece, full speed, so for the Paris, yeah. Speed post, baby, in Nikki Beach, waves in my ass, smoking weed. Been through the sand in the G, all because of what I did on bees, baby. Light sweet, baby, I ain't stop, baby. You just go get ready, we go out, baby. Long time looking for the bounce, yeah. Andre had to bounce, yeah. Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. Get stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece, full speed, so for the Paris, yeah. Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. You can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece, full speed, sweet on Janine. Rolls Royce, baby, in hidden bills, bags full of $100 bills. Talking past your wife and she get chilled, all because of how I kept it real. Light sleep, baby, on the G-Way. I'll get you anything you need, baby. Work for everything you see, baby. Ooh, yeah, baby. Ooh, come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. You can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece, full speed, so for the Paris.
So this is the finished result of my flat iron curls. Super simple, quick, easy, cute. And if you just wrap your hair at night or put flexi rods in it, it should last you a few days. So if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share it with somebody, all that good stuff. And I will see you guys in my next video.